Capture the essence of your NFT by giving it a name, sharing its story in a few words, and adding meaningful tags. As an extra touch, you can assign a location to your NFT, permanently stored in the blockchain.
You're presented with a diverse range of shapes, each boasting its own unique aesthetic appeal. Alternatively, you can craft your own shape using an uploaded template, effortlessly transforming it into a unique design in no time. As a third and ultimate option, you have the opportunity to meticulously craft a custom shape tailored to your exact preferences, ensuring it perfectly reflects your unique vision, creativity, and style.
Enrich your design by uploading an image of your choice, infusing your creation with your personal touch. Alternatively, entrust us to craft an image that harmonizes seamlessly with your vision, bringing your ideas to life in stunning detail. Upload your own personally designed and customized three-dimensional image, infusing your creation with your own personal touch and transforming it into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. From our curated collection of expertly crafted three-dimensional backgrounds, select the perfect addition to elevate your creation to new heights of artistic expression. But if you seek the ultimate in customization, we offer the option to create a bespoke three-dimensional background tailored specifically for you, ensuring your creation stands out as a true reflection of your vision and style.
Let's now customize the surfaces of your shape. As a first option, you can easily assign a color to each surface. Alternatively, upload your own created video and have it play on the surface. After uploading, you can easily adjust the size, alignment, and position of the video on the surface with just a touch. Naturally, alongside videos, you can upload images as well, allowing you to position them exactly as you desire to create the perfect visual representation. As the finishing touch, you have the option to customize the color of your shape's frame. Alternatively, you can embellish the frame with videos or images, adding a touch of individuality and creativity.
Now, mint it on the blockchain as an NFT. You have the option to create the NFT in your own wallet or to gift it to someone else.
FameNFT, your social blockchain.